Okay, let's say this is your wheelchair and the joystick on the right side. So you want to take it off and just install on the left one. First, you can just unscrew this one and then pull the joystick off. Then just follow the wire instructions. Right here, there's clips that holds on the frame. Pull that, and then there's a zip tie. So you gotta cut it off, and then just use the another one. You can use a knife like this, and then you can take it off from the bottom like this. Just pull that out, and then take it on the left side, and then make sure you use this clips to hold it on the frame. So let's just do it like this first, just in case, and then you put it back, and then you can take this one off, then put on the left one. So later on, if you want to just take this off and then put this one to here, you can just remove this or the clip right here, then you can put it back. And for this wire, you have to just cut the zip ties and then put on this side. There's no problem with it. You can cut it off, and then you can use the new one, or you can just attach behind it like this. Take from the bottom. Like this. And then right here, yeah, you can use the zip ties to just make it more straight on the frame like this, and you can attach to right here. You can use the clips right here or there. This is how it looks like.